Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set same resolution for external monitor or second monitor. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we just need to come over at your desktop and then click on your right mouse button and go for display settings. Click on that. After that, your display settings will be open. And now here you can see I have this display resolution at 920 to 1080 recommended. But if you connect your PC with a second monitor, then you will get another option at the scale and layout, and from there you can change the display resolution. Just click on that and click at 1920 into 1080. By this you can change or get the same resolution for your external monitor or your same monitor. So this is how you can set your resolution, same for your external monitor. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.